Hey guys, this is the dashboard, and it's Friday evening, and we are headed to Fernandina Beach, to the Peters Point Beach Access Park, where they're going to be doing a car show and a movie, and some other things. Anyway, so yeah, the Amelia Cruisers and the some committee in Fernandina Beach decided to get together and do a movie night and show Grease and have a car show along with it. So we're going out to see what's there, what shows up, what it looks like, see if it's interesting. Whether it is or it's not, we're going to get some video out of it and some pictures. So stay tuned, and we'll do our thing.
He's at 37.
Tyler, you're very smart. You didn't wear that thing.
Hey guys, so we just left the Grease movie night at Peters Point in Fernandina Beach. I was just there for the car show, so I left early, didn't wait for the movie. They did have a little Grease costume contest that they only had 2 participants for, which I thought was kind of funny. I took a little footage of it. I may or may not put it in there because one of the contestants was underage. Unless I can just do it from the back and not show her face. So we'll see about that. I'll have to creatively edit that one. Anyway, we had 10 or 11 cars show up. Not 100% sure. Didn't take a really good count. But it was all the regular Amelia Cruisers guys that came out. So it was a good show. A little hot. It's so hot right now in Florida. You can't stand to be outside for very long. And they weren't doing the movie until it got dark, and it's like, I really don't want to hang around that long because I'm already sweltering. So anyway, decided to head home early. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Do all the things that make the algorithm happy. Although now if you talk about the algorithm, it gets unhappy. So do all the things. The likes, subscribes, the comments, and the shares. How do they train an algorithm to get unhappy about being mentioned? Good question. Anyway, so we're at 121 subscribers. We need to get to 500. That's the goal. We got to get to 500.
Come on, help me out.
So help me out. Help me help you. I get monetized, I can go to better places. So anyway, stay tuned. There's going to be videos from this. There's going to be a pole cam, dash cam, scooter vision, all that stuff. So I got another show tomorrow. I got the Callahan Cruisers at the Hardee's in Callahan. Don't know how that's going to turn out because it's so hot lately. It's just, you never know who's going to come out, and if they're going to come out, if they're going to stay long, etc., etc., etc. So anyway, that's gonna. It's. I guess it's the light time of my season when I don't have much because everybody wants to stay at home when it's hot. I can't blame them. But I'm out here getting sweaty for you, so you don't have to get out here and sweat. So give me some likes, give me some comments, share me around, make people subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.